Hey, this is Andrew Plies with MarineMax Cumming here to walk you through the brand new 280 SLX by Sea Ray. Starting off here in the swim platform, we have this really nice flip down swim platform. Just allows the ease of getting in and out of the boat, makes it a lot easier to get in and out. Under here we have what I like to call the garage of the boat. So this will hold all your life jackets, your pool noodles, and it'll actually run all the way up to the passenger cockpit seat. So really nice long storage area there, as well as our rear facing upgraded speakers. Under this compartment we have a cooler with a drain, as well as your other rear facing speaker. And then we have our Fusion audio system, so if you want to turn up the volume or change the music, we don't have to run all the way back up to the cockpit. We can control that from here. And then really nice big lounging area, so if you want to get some sun, hang out in the back of the boat, watch the kids swim, or just hang out and catch some rays, this is a really nice place to do it. If you're not looking to catch some rays, we have a rear facing tower extending bimini, so you can kind of get out of the sun for a little bit. Moving into the cockpit area, we have a really nice long L-shaped seating with this beautiful diamond stitching that Sea Ray has done, as well as this gorgeous accent lighting behind the seats, as well as in the cup holders. Another really nice feature of this boat is this removable table. Really nice feature. And then we have storage underneath all the seating here, and then as well as soft cooler storage under here. Moving forward in the cockpit, we have swivel chairs, both the driver's seat and the passenger seat, as well as your head with the seat decking throughout. In here we have your glove compartment, so-called glove compartment. And then moving into the cockpit, we have flip-up bolsters in both cockpit chairs. So this boat is equipped with Mercury digital throttle, as well as our stern trim tabs. So these trim tabs will either help you level out the boat, or they'll help you get on plane and bring the bow down a little bit quicker. You have your dual 12-inch Simrad displays. So on the right here I have my Mercury display, and then on my left I have all of my Sea Ray controls, so for all my lighting, tower, windlass, your blower, and then you can also control the power tower from this display up here. So click this down and our tower can come down. And up with a click of a button. So if you have to get under a really low bridge, or you're trying to get out of the elements, it's a really, really nice feature. Moving forward, under here we have a storage compartment and trash bin, as well as your ignition, which is up and to the right. If you're trying to get out of the elements a little bit, here is your wind blocker. So you can close both of these, lower the tower down, and you can really get out of the elements. Up here in the bow area, we have a really nice U-shaped seating with flip-down armrests and this beautiful optional table. So this boat does come optioned with this table, and you can also option it with a bow filler cushion. So this table will actually go down. You fit another nice cushion in, and you have a nice bow seating area. Moving around here, we have our anchor locker with our windlass. And then again, just the beautiful accent lighting and accent stitching everywhere around the boat. If you'd like to see this boat, visit us in Cumming, Georgia at Bald Ridge Marina, or visit our website at marinemax.com.